fan has two common meaning. One, fan a person who likes something a lot, someone who support or love a person. Team, movie, singer. Example, I am a big fan of football. Many fans wait to see the singer. He is a fan of action movie. 2. Fan, a machine that blow air. Used to keep you cool. Example, I turn on the fan because it was hot. The fan is not working. Please switch off the fan before you leave. The fan make the room cooler. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video.